Welcome back, friends. In the last lecture, we discussed about the introduction to structured query language, and we saw the categories of structured query language as data definition language, data manipulation language, data query language, data control language, and transactional control language. In this lecture, we will see about data definition language, that is DDL, data definition language. Actually, a database is a collection of many tables, and a database server can hold many of those databases. So this is the hierarchy. The database server will hold many databases, and these databases will have tables. The data are structured in the way of tables by using rows and columns. Okay. So the databases and tables are referred to as database objects. Tables and databases are referred to as database objects. Okay. So any operations such as creating, modifying, or deleting a database objects is called data data definition language. Creating, modifying, or deleting. So these things will be coming under data definition language. So we have mentioned these things as create, alter, drop, and truncate. So first, we will see how to create a database. So the syntax for creating the database is create database and database name. Finally, you have to end the syntax with the help of the semicolon. So the semicolon denotes the terminator of the particular syntax. For example, if I want to create a database name with my name, so I am mentioning the syntax as create database Kausikan. Okay. And after creating the database, so we have to use this database in order to store, retrieve, and process the data. So for that, the syntax used for using the database is use database name. Use database name. So here I will be using use Kausikan. Okay. So in the future lectures, we are going to discuss these commands in the hands-on session by using MySQL Workbench. Okay. So after creating the database, we need to insert the values in the database. In order to insert the values in the database, so we have to create the tables. So in order to create the tables, we need a separate syntax. Before going to create a table, so after creating the database, we will be using this database. In order to show the database. What are all the databases are created under our database management system? We have to use the syntax called show databases. Show databases. Okay. So if you are using this command means it will list all the databases what we have created previously. Okay. So like this, it will be going on. Okay. It will display the databases. So after creating the database, if you need to drop the database, so the command for dropping the database is just mention it as drop database and database name. So here in our example, so we have used the database name as Kausigan. So this is what we have to give in the MySQL workbench. Okay. So drop database, then database name, then semicolon. So in the next lecture, we will discuss about how to create a table under the database. I hope you have understood how to create a database, how to use the database, and how to display the database. After that, how to drop a database. Thank you.